So I'm currently sitting in the foyer of the school, so it may get a little loud. I apologize for that. But it occurred to me that this might be helpful for people. So I thought I would show you how to set up notifications for PowerSchool Learning. And so I went to the main dashboard after you've already logged in. And so you'll see your name in the lower left-hand corner. So you click on that, and you want to go to Settings. And so you have a bunch of different options, and I would encourage you to kind of play around here. But for this video, we are interested in My Account. And so then I really haven't changed anything, but you totally could if you're interested. But what I really wanted to show you was notifications, the second tab here. I chose not to put my mobile phone. I don't want them to send me text messages, but I do want them to send emails to me on occasion. And so you can see that there are a bunch of different options for what you want. And so currently the only thing I have is to send me an instant email when I have a new inbox message. So if a student messages me, I get that email instantly because I'm not always refreshing PowerSchool Learning, but I at least want to know if somebody's trying to get a hold of me. What I want to change is actually add a daily email. If a student has submitted a message or a file for an assignment, when students are submitting late work, it's not always apparent that I have something new to go look at. So I think for now I want to try and do that. But you can see that there are lots of different options. There's a lot here, and there's quite a lot. Actually, I think I'm going to do this one too, because I do discussions on occasion. And so students have similar options, and so they can kind of personalize whatever they need. I might remind my students that this is a thing, because I've had quite a few students having issues with turning in assignments, so that I might do. But yeah, and then you just click whatever it is you want. This text message will start working if you actually give your phone number. And then I'm going to save the changes. And then my status should be up. Oh, is it saving? It might have frozen. But that's how you update your notification settings if that is something that you're interested in. Thank you for watching.